Folks, welcome to the video. I guess your initial looks here are, this one doesn't look like it needs a lot of cleanup like our previous videos, and she doesn't. In fact, this is the matriarch for the channel. Her name's Marge. You may have seen her in the background in some of the other videos. She was sitting up on the 4-post lift, and you probably couldn't hear her through the camera, but I could hear her when I would be working either beside her or underneath her on one of the other vehicles. And she was saying, when do I get introduced on the channel? So this is her chance. 1962 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, all original. We'll show you the interior, we'll show you under the hood. She's got a 390. I'm not an engine guy, you've probably figured that out. All in all, a very, very solid car. So let's take a look around. So let's start with a walk around. Like I said during the introduction to the video, she is solid through and through. She has very few, if any, really dents or dings on her. Something's already landed on her here. She does have on some of the stainless, she does have those spots on there. I think that's just some deep down rust. Unable to get that out. She's been polished. Windows are solid. Something else landed on her here. Love the fins on the back. Just all the way around, just a really, really solid car. Here's a shot with the windows down on this side, front and back. No pillar in the middle. Certainly not as back in the days. You know, again, safety hadn't come around yet, but what a look when you're rolling down the road, full view, no obstructions with that center pillar. There's a view across the front, nice and clean. All the lights function. For the 62, they hadn't done the stand-up hood emblems yet. That was as simple as you can get. Love these on the front corners. They tell you with lights in there when the blinkers blinking. Got one on each side. Here's the similar emblem, very simple, on the trunk lid. Cadillac, can't beat it. Luxury and elegance for sure. So let's take a look at the inside. Dash 100% original, steering wheel 100% original, doors Seats, just beautiful. Just beautiful. Carpets are in really great shape. Headliner, solid, nice, beautiful stainless and chrome around the edges. Back seat. She is a cruiser. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Good shot of the door card there. All the windows, 100% work. As back in the day, everybody had their own ashtray, had their own lighter. Handles there on the back of the seat. They didn't know what headrests were back then, I guess. Whiplash and everything. She does have some surface rust there in the door, but she stays in the dry now, so hopefully that will either slow or stop at least growing. But so here's a shot from the back seat. Here's another shot of the inside from the front passenger. Beautiful clock there on the dash. It doesn't work. I'm sure you could probably figure it out, but that's not for me. All the carpet, all the vents. Look at the size of that glove box. It's at least a third, if not half, of the entire dash. Hopefully that's going to show up on the video. But beautiful interior by Fleetwood, body by Fisher. Is that not cool? Right on the side of the seat. And then Cadillac there written. The windows are electric or automatic, but if you look there, the little handle that opens that triangular window, which are so nice on those hot days you just want some breeze to come straight into the car. Love this on the dash. That's a sensor when you're approached with high beam headlights. Here's a look under the hood. All 100% original. Okay guys, that wraps up the 1962 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. Hope you enjoyed meeting Marge. As I said during the video, she is the matriarch of the channel. She is really where things first started, and she deserved to be introduced to you guys and shown on the channel. So you'll see more of her in the background. She lives up on the top of the 4-post lift. But hopefully you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the walk around. If you did, do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you've got any acquaintances out there that are big fans of Cadillacs and classic Cadillacs like this 62, do me a favor and share the video with them. And then lastly, if you are not subscribed to the channel, I would certainly appreciate it if you would. And it does help a growing channel, and it also gets you notified for future content. Thanks very much.